Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how you can clean up your pumpkin carver project with some functions. So right now I've got code that when you press the green flag, it runs through all of this, which makes the pumpkin carved right there. So this first part is initializing, so it's like resetting everything and setting my pen to the correct size and color and whatnot. Then this code right here with repeat is drawing the left eye, then this code right here with this repeat is drawing the right eye, and then this code down here is actually drawing the mouth. And I know that because I'm the one who coded it, but you might look at this and go, what is going on here? So I could add in a bunch of comments in here to explain what's going on, or I could make things a little bit easier to understand using functions. So for example, I've created a block, a my block, by going to make a block, and I have labeled them left triangle eye, right triangle eye, jagged mouth, and my reset code. So now when you look at this, you can see, okay, it's going to reset, then it's going to draw the left triangle eye, which will run all this code. Then it's going to draw the right triangle eye, run all this code. Then it's going to draw the jagged mouth, run all of this code, and then it's going to make it so my carver hides. So that's pretty easy to understand. However, there's an even better way to do this. So let me show you this version. Okay, so in this version, you press the green flag, and again, draws the same thing that we've been doing before. It resets everything. It makes it go to a position, then it draws triangle eye. Goes to another position, draws another triangle eye, goes to another position, and then draws a jagged mouth, and then finally hides. Now, the reason why this is better is because we're telling it where to go before we actually draw the shape. So that way we can use one shape for each one of the eyes or mouths that we're going to have. Now, this makes it so that you can add in a bunch of different code. So for instance, all the code right here are the eyes, all the code down here are the mouths, and then all the code up here are the different faces. So if I wanted to make it so that when I press 1, it's going to draw square eyes and a rectangle mouth. When I press 2, it's going to draw curved eyes and a curved mouth. When I press 3, we're going to have a circle eye and pupil that is large, and a small circle eye and pupil that is small, and then it's going to draw a circle mouth. So this allows you to combine different shapes together to create different faces by simply adding in code that makes it go to a location, draw a shape, go to another location, draw a shape. Now, to fix a little bug in here, just simply add in a stop other scripts in sprite to make it so that it'll stop any other code whenever you press one of these keys. So that way, if you press number 3 and then immediately press number 4 afterwards, it's not going to try drawing both of them at the same time. Okay, so again, to recap, instead of making your code really long like this, go to My Blocks and add in some different shapes there and simply tell it where to go before you start drawing that shape. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.